It's not very often you get a chance to try before you buy with a car, but I've got the opportunity to try a GT3 Cup-style wing on my 997. So I currently have the Aero wing, but I've always fancied the GT3 style wing. Now I know the purists always have a moan that I have a fake GT3 and I'm trying to make it look like a GT3 and I can't afford a real one. And yeah, that's true. I can't afford a real GT3. Not many people can. But there's nothing wrong with stopping your car looking like how you want it to look. And I kind of like the GT3 look. I'm not trying to replicate a GT3. I just like this sort of GT3 inspired look. Plus my car came with the Aero kit anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can fit this wing, see how it looks. And if I like it, I might get one. Let me know what you think. Right, let's check out this new wing that potentially will be its new home. No, I do like the Aero wing, but yeah, I guess after a while you might want to change it a bit, you know. Yeah, I haven't driven it for a while, you know. Look at the wing. I love that it's got like the ability to adjust its angle so you can change your downforce settings depending on what track you're on. So and it's the right color as well. So who reckons that this is going to look pretty awesome on the car? Or am I the only one? Carbon fiber or fiberglass?
No, fiberglass.
It's fiberglass. Haven't started this in a while, guys. It's been sat here collecting dust. But yeah, we'll get it out in the summer.
Like, boil that base and then we can fit the wing later.
Yeah. Oh, that was quite loose anyway. Wasn't tight. Oh shit. Ah, because it's got like they're normally quite anal, don't really like modifying their cars, do they?
You upset that when you upset the aero balance of the whole car.
Yeah.
German engineers know what they're doing. Take it down there.
So yeah, we're gonna go for the touring look. Oh yeah.
That way a lot, isn't it? That's the bolt hole. A little bit.
Yeah, there's not much flex.
No, do it up then. We'll just see how it looks. It might be fine.
Yeah.
All everything you can see.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah, it looks good here, but it looks way high there.
Yeah. Yeah. Should I pull the car out? And it's really weird not seeing that.
Yeah.
I don't know, you know. I think it makes the car look wider because you can see more of this now.
Yeah.
I wonder what it will look like with the top wing on it. Cloth. Yeah, I'm gonna stick it on the. Yeah. Guys, what do you reckon? Maximum attack Aero. How much is this gonna slow the car down? Actually matches with the black roof. All right, so I think it looks nice as a ducktail, but now I want to see what it looks like with the GT3 wing. So we're gonna attach that next. Yeah, see how light it is?
Very.
How's it go? Okay, what's the verdict? I think I might need to pull the car out to take a look at this one. So guys, what do you reckon? GT3 RS style wing or the original GT3 Aero kit? Let me know in the comments below. I like them both, and I would happily run both. You know, like, depending on how I'm feeling, I can always swap them out. But what would you do? What would you go for? I do like it though. It just gives me motorsport vibes, where the GT3 wing just gives me more sort of touring vibes, you know? But yeah, I do like it. I want to know what your thoughts are. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This is just a quick video. I will leave it there. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.